Yo, what up? It's your boy Raw 100, and if you want to know how to maximize your income and increase your paper using these app-based gigs, then check it out. Stick around. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already subscribed. Become part of the Grind Gang. Hey, stick around for this video. I'm about to share some tips with y'all, and some of y'all that's already getting this money, you know how we do. Yo, what up? It's your boy Raw 100. What up? It's your boy Raw 100. What's up, Grind Gang? Yo, what up? It's your boy Raw 100. Yo, what up? It's your boy Raw 100. Yo, what up? It's your boy Raw 100. Grind Gang, what it do? It's your boy Raw 100. Grind Gang, what it do? It's your boy Raw 100. Grind Gang, what it do? It's your boy Raw 100.
You can't do nothing about me. I get it in, 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 get it. Watch me get it in.
What's good, Grind Gang? It's your boy Raw 100, and I'm back with another video for you today. Hey, check this out today. I really want to talk about, I've been getting so much feedback. The question is, should you quit your 9 to 5 to work app-based gigs full-time? That's a good question. If you have a 9 to 5 currently, right now, I would advise you to keep your 9 to 5 if you have that option. If you're in a position, obviously, where you can't keep your 9 to 5 and you want to work for yourself, then I would say, weigh your options and make sure you go into it with the right mindset. If you have your 9 to 5, this is a good opportunity to begin building your business strategy. You can start setting up your business strategy ahead of time and still be bringing in a consistent, steady income. You may have to start off part-time. You may have to work a couple hours a day or just a few hours a week until you get into the hang of something that you worked into your schedule. Let's see if it's worth it to you. I would not suggest, if you don't have the proper insurance, if you consider being a delivery driver, you also will need to consider purchasing a delivery vehicle. If you have a vehicle that you don't mind driving the crap out of, then by all means, use that vehicle to get more money. However, there are some things you need to know about starting your own business. You want to have some money saved up for rainy days you can't get out and work. There are no sick days for us when we work for ourselves. So if we get sick or if something comes up, then we either have to work double time before or after, or we just lose out on that money that we could have possibly made. So you want to have some of those things set up so that you can create that type of cushion so it'll be easier for you, because it's very difficult to get the ball rolling at first. You have to invest in your own tools, you have to invest in your own maintenance, you have to invest in your own gas, all of the things that you need in order to make money. You have to spend your money up front for it. So you have to be prepared for that. So I would suggest, if you have a 9 to 5, keep your 9 to 5 and use part of the income for your 9 to 5 to fund beginning your own business, starting your own, or not even necessarily beginning your own business. Maybe you just want to be an independent contractor and that's as far as you want to take it. For me, independent contractor, that's just a part of what I like to do. That's a part of my business strategy. It is something that I'm doing now, and I like to share it with you guys while I'm doing it so that you get a chance to see it through my experience and maybe learn something that you don't have to find out for yourself. What I try to talk about when it comes to these app-based gigs, for me, is all about diversity. It's all about diversifying. And I talk about that so much because I hear a lot of people talking about how certain app-based gigs are not, they're not doing what they need to do. Maybe they come out and they start with this good promotion, and then a couple of months later down the road, they're not giving out that same kind of money. So don't put all your eggs in one basket, if you ask me. Always diversify, always set yourself up for other options of making money. Which brings me back to my initial point. if you have a 9 to 5 and you want to begin, I say keep your 9 to 5. Keep your 9 to 5. Make sure that you have steady income and something that can steady help you to fund your ideas and your strategies that you plan to use to get money in the future for yourself. So those are a few things I wanted to share with you. Now, can you make a living working app-based gigs full time? Absolutely, you can. I'm living proof, and I'm not the only one. There's a lot of people that are out here using these gigs to their advantage, and you can make a full-time living depending on how you use them. If you use them to your advantage, then yes, I see no reason why a hustler could not make a living. One question I get is, how realistic is it that you can go hard working these app-based gigs and also keep your 9 to 5? I want to say it's very realistic. You set a goal that can be achieved, and it's realistic, and that can be achieved. People do it all the time. There's people working 9 to 5 and they work Uber and Lyft when they get off. There's people working 9 to 5s and they do DoorDash when they get off. I mean, it can be done. It's all about your discipline. It's all about your you know what I mean? Like, what are you working for? What you grinding for? If it's important to you, you're gonna get the money by all means. This is why you don't see me really complain about what app-based gigs pay, because if they state that clearly up front, then I knew what I was getting into when I agreed to partner with them. Now, if they didn't state it clearly up front, then yeah, I would have a problem with it. But if I walked into a job interview and the interviewer said to me, this job is $8 an hour, take it or leave it. If I take that job, I have no reason to complain that I'm getting paid $8 an hour. If I accept that, then I accepted the fact that I would make $8 an hour. So what I see a lot of is people agreeing and signing these contracts. That's why they're called independent contractors, because you sign contracts with these companies to partner with them, and they agree to do certain things and you agree to do certain things. And you signed up for what you agreed to do, and they tell you what they agree to do, even though some of us don't like to read the small print because we're so busy trying to get to the money. If you read the small print, you probably see that most of them are pretty upfront with what they're going to pay you and what they're willing to pay you, and then it's up to you to decide to take advantage of that or not. So me, I spend my time trying to maximize my income always possible. When it comes to Instacart, I want every bonus that they put out there, I want it. When it comes to Postmates and DoorDash, when they have bonuses, I want to take advantage of those bonus situations. So I don't really get a lot of bonuses when it comes to, I don't get a lot of bonuses when it comes to Grubhub or Skip the Dishes. But Postmates and DoorDash, you know, they have bonuses all the time. Instacart now with the new pay rate, they're offering even a 5-star bonus. Well, it's not called a 5-star bonus, it's called the highest rated bonus. So basically, if you get the highest rating you can get, each one of your deliveries, you'll make $3 for every time you get that delivery. So it's all about how you utilize and maximize your income to how will it be the outcome and how you get paid. If you are just focused on this is how much I make an hour, you're not really into it, you want to do these gigs because you just want the money, well, it's okay to want money, but it's easier to get money doing things that you like to do. So if you don't like helping people, you don't like talking to people, you don't like giving people hot food or giving people, you know, customer service, excellent customer service, then there's really no point of you doing this type of job and expecting to win. You will not win that way. You can't win that way. The only way you can win is to wholeheartedly go into it. So if you go in, when I go do Instacart, I make $200 a week cash tips every week, regardless of what I get paid in Instacart. That alone says something. That's what I go out there for. I go out there to do my best job, and I'm rewarded by doing my best job, by receiving those tips. I'm rewarded by doing my best job, by getting those 5-star bonuses. I'm rewarded by getting those batch bonuses, 25 batches in a week, because I'm out there grinding so hard. So when I see people talking about they're not getting the kind of money that they should be getting, I want to see, is it people that are out there grinding, trying to get this money, and it's just not happening for them? Or is it that you not getting up at 6 or 7 o'clock in the morning like I am, or like the rest of these guys are that get this money? And I want to exclusively, I got a little young guy that does Instacart, and let me tell you, he part of the grind gang, and he getting that paper. You understand what I'm saying? He followed me on Instagram. I follow him on Instagram. He always showing me, you know, what kind of moves he busting. He is out here getting that paper. And I'm gonna reach out. He goes by official Lil Uzi Vert, but I'm gonna give you the exact tag. I'll put his link down in the description so that you can follow him on IG. You can follow him on you can subscribe to him on YouTube. You can follow him on IG. This little young dude be grinding. You know what I'm saying? And that's what it's all about. Grind gang. You feel me? So anyway, I only take out a few minutes to talk to y'all, just to try to share certain things with you. I hope I didn't leave out nothing. My top app-based gigs I like to use: Instacart, DoorDash, Postmates, Skip the Dishes, and Grubhub. Those are the ones I like to use the most as far as everyday local. Roadie is becoming one of my favorite, but it's something new to me, so I'm trying to get used to. D-Live, you all know that was one of my favorite. However, in my region, D-Live is no longer, but in all those other regions that they still got to live, shout out to the Deliv drivers. Y'all keep getting that money, you feel me? Anyway, it's your boy, Roll 100. You already know I do it, so you don't have to. Hey, and remember, when you roll, make sure it's 100. Peace.
Nothing about me, sweet. Ain't nothing but money around me. See me while I'm out here pounding these streets, and you can't do nothing about me. I get it.